Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am so excited about because it is going to be a kind of like a first impressions video. It's a subscription box that I bought, which I rarely ever do. I've been buying so much stuff recently, which is like so bad, but I don't ever do subscription boxes. You know, there's Ipsy, there's Sephora Play, there's BoxyCharm, all of those, you know, and I never felt the need to, you know, I just buy my own stuff if I want it. But this one really intrigued me. So I'm kind of going to do like a first impressions video. I did already open it because I wanted to use some of the products already, and the products that I have used, I will let you know how I liked them. I'm excited for this one. I think it's going to be super fun. I guess it's sort of not a first impressions video if I've already used some of the products, but some of the products I haven't used and I still have to try out. And I guess it is a first impressions in a sense because it's my first time getting the box. So I'm super excited. Let's start. Okay, so I have the box in front of me. If you haven't guessed already what subscription I'm subscribed to, it's FabFitFun. I am in no way affiliated. I don't have a code. I am not a FabFitFun partner. This is genuinely just my opinion of the box, what I think, and that's just it. I just thought it would be so much fun because I remember getting this box and one of my coworkers and I were literally sitting waiting for the email of this box to arrive because all we did was sit in the break room when we were on break together and watch videos of people opening up these boxes, and we thought they were so fun. So when I got it, I actually brought it into work and opened it with her, and it was so much fun. These are just awesome. They have, from my understanding, they have around $200 worth of products for about like $50 for the subscription. If you do find a code online and use it, I know you can get the box anywhere from like $30 to like $40 or something, and you can add on different things. There's like so much to it, but if you're interested in getting the box, you can do all that research, and I would recommend you do the research because there are, like, it is very intricate. But I thought I'd share with you, this was the winter box. So they do seasonal boxes, obviously winter, spring, summer, fall. So this was the winter box. The next one I think is coming in, it's February, so I think April, because it's every 3 months. So I'm excited. So when you first open the box, mine is very messy. They package it very cute, but like I said, I've already opened it, so it's very messy in here. But it comes with all of this stuff. So the first thing you get is, I guess, like a catalog, and you can see at the top it says winter edition up here. And it kind of shows you like all of the products that you can get, and if you want to add on anything, and it tells you like how much the add-ons are, and it shows you like just different things, and it's so cool, like different items that you'll get and different things like that. So you get this, you get, I don't know if you get this every time, but since it was my first time I got one of these, and it's basically like a share the love card, so I can give this to one of my friends and they can start and get the box for the same price I did, I'm pretty sure, from my understanding. But yeah, so that comes with that. I thought this was super cool because this is like something that everyone is into right now. It's from HelloFresh, and it's a $60 gift card. $20 off your first 3 deliveries plus shipping, and you just use the code, but I'm covering up mine because I don't want you guys to use it, sorry. And then like different things on the back and different meals and stuff like that, so that's good. $60 of gift card I feel like is really good for HelloFresh, because I think, I'm not sure because I haven't bought from it, but I would feel like they would be pretty expensive. So I know the catalog comes in every box, but I'm not sure about the other things, because obviously I don't know. So when you get your box and you go online and everything, you can customize some of the items. So you can choose from 3 different items and go in and pick one over the other. You take a quiz and it customizes everything to what you like. So I said what I like, what I don't like, what I sort of like, what I wouldn't mind getting, what I would love to get, and all that kind of stuff. And you take, it's like maybe 10 minutes, not even. I think it's like a 5-minute quiz or something. And so this was actually one of the items that I chose. It was like this, a necklace, and something else. I can't remember, but I chose this. This is so cool. It's by Halston down in the corner. It's a jewelry holder. So I do a lot of traveling for work and other purposes and just different things. So this comes in handy so much. It's a jewelry holder, and so it has little things. So it has this top one is for rings, and then you have the earring one, which is like down here, and you put your earrings in there. There's like a little place to put, you know, you can put your watches, you can put bracelets, you can put anything in here. You can put money, you can put, I don't know, Q-tips, whatever, I don't know, whatever you want to put in here. And then there's like a little flap, the same for down here. And then up here you have where you can put all of your necklaces and they don't get tangled. It is so cool. And then it's flat too, like it's not that big. So it fits perfectly right in your bag, and you have all of your jewelry all in one place and you're good to go. Because I know that I used to put my jewelry, like old necklace boxes and different things, and you know, different pouches and makeup pouches that they make and all that stuff, and nothing worked. Like my necklaces always got tangled, and I was always sitting there for 20 minutes in the car while someone else was driving trying to like get it untangled and wear them and put them on. So this is awesome, and I was so excited about this one because who would not be? Like, that is so stinking cool. Okay, next item was this Mercy Beauty for Anthropology. I think I'm saying that right. It's the coconut sugar sea wet body cream. So that is what it looks like. It smells like a dream. It smells so good, and it is so soft on the hands, and it's just a nice lotion. And I mean, I don't know if you guys have ever been in Anthropology, but if you have, it's expensive. Like, it's not a cheap store. So the fact that they put that in there made me really happy because they're not cheap. It smells so good. It smells like, it kind of smells like the beach. Not like coconutty really, although it does have coconut in it. You can smell the coconut, but it just smells luxurious. Like, it smells like you've been laying out on the beach, you know, when you come in. I don't know, it just reminds me so much of beach week, because I do that every year. I go to the beach for a week with my girlfriends, and this is what it reminds me of. The next item is by Ahava, I think. I hope I'm saying that right. This is a hydration cream mask. I have used this once, and I really did like it. It says you rinse after 3 to 5 minutes or leave on all night. It's approved for sensitive skin. It's allergy tested and paraben free. So I used it as like a night treatment, kind of like an overnight mask, and then just washed it off in the morning. But you can, you know, just do the whole 3 to 5 minute thing and then wash it off. So hydrating, and I love to be hydrated and dewy and look like really like oily, but the good oily, you know, like the hydration and serums and all that stuff. I love going to bed like that, because when I wake up in the morning my face is so dry. So I love knowing that all of the serums and stuff are working overnight. Okay, the next thing that came in there is this Moroccan Gold series. It's a treatment mask, intensive care for dry and damaged hair, which, if you know me, my hair is so thin. It's not even damaged really, it's just so thin and dry, and I don't even want to talk about it. It makes me really upset actually. So I haven't tried this yet, but I'm super excited to use it. It looks amazing. It smells like heaven. It smells so good. So it comes in a little jar like this. You just scoop it out, put it in your hair. It conditions, nourishes, and locks in moisture, fortifies and strengthens strands, and protects hair against breakage, dryness, and damage, which is what I need. especially too because my hair is naturally wavy and I straighten it almost every day. The next thing, I've heard so many good things about these. I see these all over on Instagram and Facebook and everything, and I've heard such good things. These are the black eye masks. So I'm excited to use these because I've heard great things about these. Ooh! It has hyaluronic acid in it. Awesome. Okay, so there's only a couple more products left. This next thing is the Brilliant Eye Brightener. This is a highlighting stick and it's by Thrive Cosmetics, but Cause like C-A-U-S-E. So, oh, this is cute. So it's like an eye brightener in the shade Stella. So it comes like this with a little pen, and I'm assuming you just, ooh, that's pretty. I don't know if you can see it, but just like the shimmer that's on there, that is really pretty. I'm sure by eye brightener they mean like the corner of the eyes and maybe the brow bone. Ooh, that would be really pretty. But I'll probably use it on other places like the Cupid's bow and the cheeks and all that good stuff because I'm extra. My next product is by Bite Beauty, which a lipstick by them alone I think is, don't quote me on this, but I think it's anywhere from like $12 to $18 if I'm not mistaken, depending on what kind you're getting. So they're expensive. So the fact that they have this in there is awesome, and it's a nude. Are you kidding me? It is a nude. It is so beautiful. I am so excited. But yeah, it is so pretty. I cannot wait to use this. I have been saving this box in the corner of my room for the longest time, just like waiting to film this video so I can rip it open and just like try all of these products because I am so excited. Okay, last but certainly not least, I got to pick out this item too, and this I was the absolute most excited about. This and the jewelry holder. These were my two items that I was like, yes, I want them now. And my coworker, like I said, we opened them together and she was most excited about these two items too because I was hyping them up and she's like, oh my gosh, I can't wait to see them too. So it was awesome. But it is this little throw blanket. Like, are you kidding? Look how cute. It has little tassels and everything. It is so soft. It feels so luxurious. It's kind of like two-toned, but it's two-toned and it is so soft. I actually went on a road trip recently and I brought this blanket with me in the car and it was a lifesaver. Oh my gosh. And it's so warm and so cozy and luxurious, and it's gonna keep me warm because I am cold. My apartment is always freezing. My room is just like the coldest room in the house for some reason, and my roommate's room is so hot. So at night I let her get the thermostat because I don't want to sweat, like make her sweat and sweat her out, you know, but I would prefer to be warm. So this blanket is everything. It does kind of like shed a little, but that doesn't really bother me. But I love anything cozy and soft like this, so this was one of my favorite items to pick out. Those were all of the products that I got from my FabFitFun box. I get so excited about these. So if you want more videos of FabFitFun, like me opening them whenever I get them, give this video a thumbs up and let me know, or comment in the comments down below. I am so excited to try out some of the products that I haven't tried out, and the ones that I have are honestly like really good. If you'd like to see an unboxing of every seasonal box, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below because I would love to do that. It kind of feels like Christmas in a way, and you know, you should do something for yourself that makes you happy, and it comes every 3 months, so it's not like an every month thing where you're like dishing out $50 every month. I think it's totally worth it. I know this is only my first box and I'm talking very highly of it, but that's because I absolutely love it. And I love the fact that you can customize it to what you like. So if you like jewelry better than, you know, lotions, or cozy stuff better than jewelry, then you can pick one over the two. Or you can say, yeah, I kind of like jewelry, but I love cozy you know, like robes and blankets and stuff. And they'll send you things that kind of go with how you rated everything. So I think that that is so cool because every single box is customized to you and what you choose. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I was so excited to film this. Now I'm so excited to continue using these products and let you guys know how they worked. So with that, I will let you all go and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.